Hello guys, I'm wondering if you are facing this problem like I faced before. When before you start, I'm now pressing or rotating the right analog and it keep telling me that it's they are the wrong patterns. I press like 1, 2, 3, 4 extra. Yep. So I searched a little bit on the internet and it gave me an answer. It's a silly answer actually. You can press the analog button on your gamepad. It's between the two analogs. You see a little button, analog or mode. Press it once, try. Yep, it worked. If it didn't work from the first time, keep pressing it again or keep pressing it like for 2 seconds until it changed the effect. I hope it did works with you guys. Bye bye.